guys, Sean Murphy here with my newest condo for rent, 85 Whitman Street, unit number 2 here in Weymouth. Let's go take a look. Welcome to Ledgewood Place, a fantastic condominium building right off of Jackson Square, right around the corner from Denlys Pizza, actually right here in Weymouth. But this used to be an old school. That tall building to the right there, that was the original school building built in 1900. Everything else was added on after the fact. These all became condos in the 80s. But as we enter into unit number 2, large living space to the left, all the bedrooms are here to the right. This is listed as a 2-bedroom with an office, den, extra living space area. So let's go through these bedrooms right now. Very large, a lot of sunlight coming in. This is a gloomy day. It was raining outside. But every room has a lot of closet space as well. Now, to note here, fresh carpets throughout the entire unit, has just been freshly painted as well. It's a very well taken care of condo. Full bath here. And as we come down the hallway, this is the other extra room. Could be extra living space, office, den, perfect for whatever you need to do in there. And then as we come back to the front door, this is a nice little utility laundry space within the unit, which is great to have. And then as we come around the corner, huge living room with some sliding glass doors that lead to your private patio that have some steps that lead right up to the parking lot. So you're unloading groceries, you're unloading anything, easy to get in and out. Another view of that living space. Here is the dining area right off of the kitchen. Perfect spot for a nice dining room table. And then here is the kitchen. Very well taken care of, very clean, fairly updated. But it's a very loved unit here, guys. So any questions, comment below. And if you'd like to schedule a time to see this condo, let us know. We'd be happy to set it up.